Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Realme and opening settings. This accesses system controls. Once done, tap Display and Brightness or use the settings search to find Sleep quickly. You need the phone unlocked and a stable screen active. This prevents the menu from disappearing while you change timing. Make sure battery is above 10% so the phone won't shift power modes. This keeps sleep options visible. Now locate the sleep or screen timeout entry to prepare for adjustment. You'll see presets like 15s, 30s, 1 min, 5 min. Tap the one that fits your usage. If you need a custom setting, some Realme builds offer additional choices under Advanced or Developer options. Enable them only if you understand effects. Once chosen, note that power-saving modes or adaptive battery can override timeout. Disable those temporarily to confirm the change. After applying, test by leaving the screen idle to ensure the timeout matches your selection. You finish by confirming the new timeout works. Leave the screen idle and watch for the chosen delay. If the setting doesn't persist, reboot the phone to clear minor system cache. This often resolves save issues. If problems continue, go to Settings Apps, Reset App Preferences, or Reset Settings to restore defaults. This removes conflicting overrides. One key troubleshooting tip: check any third-party lock/screen apps and uninstall or disable them, because they commonly block system sleep settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.